2. Ever wonder how you start getting spam calls right after signing up for something online? Or how that ad for something you just mentioned in passing suddenly appears everywhere? It's not a coincidence, and it's not just big tech companies. The answer often lies with an industry you might not have even heard of: data brokers. So, what exactly are data brokers? Think of them as the middlemen of the internet. They're companies that collect your personal information from a huge variety of sources, package it all up, and then sell it to other businesses. And we're not just talking about your name and email. We're talking about your age, your address, your income, your purchasing habits, your political views, even your health information. It's a massive multi-billion-dollar industry that operates almost entirely behind the scenes. Where do they get all this data? The sources are everywhere. Public records like property deeds and voter registrations are a goldmine for them. Every time you use a store loyalty card, fill out a survey, or enter an online contest, that information can be collected and sold. Social media profiles, web browsing history, location data from your phone apps, it all gets vacuumed up. They buy data from other companies you do business with. It's a vast, interconnected web, and your personal details are the product. You might be thinking, okay, that's a little creepy, but what's the real harm? Well, the consequences can range from annoying to downright dangerous. On the milder end, it's targeted advertising that feels invasive, but it gets more serious. This data can be used to determine your insurance premiums, your eligibility for loans, or even affect your job prospects. The data they have on you is inaccurate. It could lead to you being unfairly denied opportunities. And what happens when these data brokers get hacked? Suddenly, your most sensitive information is in the hands of scammers and identity thieves. That's a nightmare scenario. Now for the good news. You are not completely powerless. You, too, have the right to see what data these companies have on you and to ask them to delete it. But here's the catch. There are thousands of these data brokers. Contacting each one individually would be a full-time job. It's a process called opting out, and they don't exactly make it easy. Or to hunt down their privacy policies, find the right forms, and often verify your identity just to tell them to stop selling your info. It's designed to be frustrating. This is where data removal services can be a game changer. These are companies that specialize in doing the hard work for you. They subscribe to these data brokers, find your profiles, and submit opt-out requests on your behalf. Instead of you spending countless hours navigating hundreds of confusing websites, they automate the process. They handle the submissions, the follow-ups, and the constant monitoring. Because even after you're removed, data brokers might just add you back in later. A good removal service keeps you protected long-term. Think of it like hiring a professional to clean your house. You could do it yourself, but it would take a ton of time and effort, and you might miss a few spots. A professional service has the right tools and expertise to do a thorough job efficiently. In the digital world, your privacy is your home, and these services help you clean out the unwanted guests. Taking control of your digital footprint is more important now than ever before. It's not about hiding from the internet. It's about deciding who gets access to your personal life. Start by being more mindful of what you share online. Read those privacy policies before you click agree, Ned. If you want to take a big step towards reclaiming your privacy, consider looking into a data removal service. It's a powerful way to tell the data broker industry that your life is not for sale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital age. See you next time.